Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. Happy Saturday. How's everyone doing today? Bitcoin is wonderfully riding our trend line. We're very happy to see. Let me just share the stream really quick. Great. All right, let's get started. Really quick update, guys. The face reveal goal. We are at 88 subscribers, which is about 15% of the main goal. And then the optional side goal, we had an anonymous donation of $50 yesterday. I don't remember. It was either yesterday or the day before. But it was after one of my streams. So whoever that was, I appreciate you. The second goal is at 22%. I will say the whole purpose of that goal, the secondary one, was to get like a new computer. I did order a new computer. I just went and did it at about 5 o'clock in the morning. So the parts are on their way. The last part is getting here on as early as Thursday. So that's that. Outside of that, Bitcoin is looking wonderful. We got our purple trend line. Let's zoom out really quick. Yeah, our previous resistance down here is now support up here, which is great. The candles look okay. I'm not super stoked about them. They do kind of look like they're starting to get weaker, but we'll have to see what happens. Our red lines here were liquidations last night. Dave, what's going on? What's going on? We just woke up, Dave. I was up till about 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning ordering computer parts like a psychopath. But what's good? Happy Saturday. We got coffee. We're chilling. Bitcoin looks good. Let's take a look at our liquidation heat map and set some new liquidation lines. So anything that's not double digits, I'm not going to put on the chart. Although if you combine these two, it is double digits. So let me put the average. We're at 62,670, 62,720. So I'll go 62,7 for that. So that one is 62.7. And I like to have these on the chart just to see if they hit. We can always check the liquidation heat map, but it's nicer to see it on the same chart. So then we got a big one at 62,535. Right there. Okay. And then I'll do one more for down below, this big one right here. 62.3. Yeah, there's no way they don't hit that, right? Okay, and then above, we got, right above, we got 63.5 and then 63.8. Beautiful. Okay. So, I'm just going to leave those the way that they are. We do have a big liquidation down at 61,880. So I'll put that on there too, just in case. $61,880. Right there, sure. Okay. So that's a dumpy liquidation. Actually, I'm sorry. I think that No, these are... So I usually make these green, I think. Because they're above. And it would take buying to get to there. This one, I believe, hit. I'm pretty sure that hit really quick right here. They busted through that last night. Liquidate some bears. We are on our way to our 64-1 resistance area, which we've tested twice now. Third time's a charm. We are forming a very nice looking W. But the second half of the W is a lower high. But I believe if we go on higher time frame, that shows bullish div. Let's double check that though before I say something. I am correct. On the 4 hour, we got bullish div from this dip, which is really good. 4 hour bullish div is great. Price is going down. RSI is going up. That looks amazing. That's what we like to see. All right, so that's Bitcoin. So far, out of the two fractals, we did move the bull fractal, so I do have to disclaim that. The bull fractal was initially wrong. It was originally over here. And then this failure, this swing failure right here, led me to scoot it over. Instead of just trashing it, I scooted it over. And so far, it's looking better than the bear fractal. The bear fractal over here, we should have gone right down. Again, if today, within the next 2 hours and 8 minutes, flips incredibly bearish for some reason, then the bear fractal will also start to win. Because I moved the bull fractal, we are going to give the bear fractal a chance to be moved. I'm not going to delete it right away. Because if this swings and fails and goes for like a third swing down, the bear fractal might have a chance. So that's those two. Let's go take a look at total 3. Total 3 looks great. I've been seeing this head and shoulders pattern everywhere, but they're all being invalidated by bouncing off of this lower trend line. Every single time I see it, that's exactly what I see. Lower trend line bounce. Look at the wicks. It won't even, like the price action won't even let it stay down there. The bulls are buying that shit up. ETH, same exact thing as total 3. Head and shoulders. It's getting bought up. It's getting invalidated. Same with Solana. Look great. Look at that. That's beautiful. Beautiful uptrend on Solana. Hopefully breaking above this upper trend line. Although it is quite an ugly triangle. But it is what it is. Fahid, what's going on? What do you got there? What is that? 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's a rocket. I was like, what is that? A weird pen? Oh my gosh. I gotta drink some of my coffee, guys. I'm kind of fucked up today. I think I put too much sugar in the coffee though. Okay. ADA, same thing as everything else. The uptrend isn't as prevalent though, but it is there. It's a very shallow uptrend. But ADA is the turtle in the race. There's no triangle on ADA. There's just the descending channel. Jesus. I am a self-proclaimed ADA maxi, unfortunately. So that is what it is. I feel like my bias towards ADA though has led me to be more open-minded towards other charts, which has let me just be a better trader, if I'm being completely honest. Oh my gosh, look at this. We did buy some SWI, which I'm very proud of, guys. SWI is going absolutely insane. I think it's a mistake to not load up on this. It won't even pull back. Like, I can't even figure out what to do with this because it's so bullish. I might, honestly, have to move some money around to get more because I have a problem with FOMO and that green candle. It makes me feel it in my giblets. So we'll see what I end up doing. What do I have? I have $88 that I could scoot. I need to relax, guys. I need to relax with the money thing. I spent way too much money on that computer this morning. I needed to just chill for a minute. I need to sell some Pokemon cards or something. Even C. Oh my gosh, look at this, Fahid. C is going crazy. This is sick. Fahid said C follows SWI. It just lags behind. And that is exactly what's happening now. Beautiful. Cass kind of taking a little doo-doo. That's okay. Chainlink. Chainlink's got the same setup as everything else. It did, see, this was Chainlink's uptrend, but I kind of broke it. So we could do this, I guess. That's not bad. Is that bullish div? I think that is. Absolutely it is. We got bullish div on the daily on Chainlink. That's really good. We'll see if that plays out. Fahid's a damn missed C. Fahid, I thought we were missing SWE the whole time, honestly. But I bought in, man. I bought in to buy those stupid memes. Now it's going crazy. Sometimes the FOMO works, honestly. It seems like when you don't want to FOMO, when you try to be reasonable and you're like, no, every time I do this, it's a bad idea. It ends up being the best time to do that. So I have given in to the FOMO. And that might be the time in the market that we're in, where giving in to the FOMO works. DOT has the same formation as everything else, but it's bearish. Look at this. This is just a downtrend, which actually, I guess that's not bearish, that's bullish. Because downtrends break to the upside. So maybe DOT has a real chance here. It's kind of doing what ETH is doing, where it broke out of this triangle, but this is a sloppy triangle. I don't know. Do with that what you will. Take it with a grain of salt. I don't see any patterns on DOT, if I'm being completely honest. There's that like very vague uptrend. This is maybe gonna be some resistance. But those wicks were nice. People were buying it up for a second. Let's go check on Doge. Doge uptrend. Love it. Polygon. Very, very shallow uptrend. That's fine. Near. Wave. Like, this is a great uptrend. Look at that. This thing's just going. No fucks are given. I like that. I like that a lot. Chili's. Chili's is just going crazy. Chili's got put on the map recently with this move. People were like, oh shit, I forgot Chili's existed. Now Hoffs is sitting pretty with like twice his Ryobi stash. Thanks to Chili's. PHB. This thing's been going nuts. Bath turned us onto this, and it's just been great for trading. Look at all these trades you could have made in these ranges. A lot of volume on these ones. DXY, it's getting some pumpage. That's fine. Silver looks good. Honestly, silver looks really good. Shit. I think I sold mine. I sold some right around 32. Last peak. When was that? May. Okay, no, I must have done it right here. It wasn't that long ago. It was in September. I sold some silver right here, thinking we were gonna M. We did. I probably should have bought some down here. Oh, 30. I guess 30 versus 31. What's the fucking difference? We got NASDAQ. Looking good. Getting ready to set a new all-time high. Same with the S&P 500. The ass fractal looks great. The S&P 500 is setting a new all-time high. Let's fucking go. Money printer go. Burr. Ass fractal. Never fails. How you guys doing today? Let me know. Hit that like button on your way in. Hit the subscribe button. Ring the bell for notifications. That helps me out a lot. The bull fractal is winning over the bear fractal. The bears are getting fracked. Let's go. I guess let's look at some news. Fair warning, these news websites do not have dark mode, so shield your eyes, prepare yourself. We will go blind, and I do not have insurance for my viewers. Bitcoin price eyes sub 65K hurdles as metric hints Bitcoin going to rip. Have you guys ever seen the show Archer? This guy just reminds me of the scientist from Archer. He like does a bunch of crazy drugs and stuff. It's really funny. It's a funny show. I love that show. Bitcoin climbed to multi-day highs on October 12th as market mimicked last week's dubious upside. I hate that word. Ben Cowan ruined that word for me. Excuse me. Bitcoin price grills resistance below key barrier. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView showed Bitcoin price action nearing 63,500, up 1.5% on the day, similar behavior to the weekend prior. Bitcoin made strong progress during the October 11th Wall Street trading session after testing 60K support for much of the week. Attempting to catch up to the United States equities, Bitcoin shrugged off new U.S. inflationary pressures, even as markets reduced bets on the extent of future interest rate cuts. Initial low was swept and clearly inability to break down so naturally. There's a reversion. Popular trader Skew wrote in his latest coverage of 4-hour timeframes on X. Skew flagged RSI scores above 50 and spot demand, key prerequisites for a move up. Monthly and weekly open are always pretty pivotal, so very important for buyers to reclaim for another shot at 65K, he concluded. Yeah, this is just a big fat W to me, guys. I like it. I like what I see. If they are successful clearing the 200-day moving average, they will attempt to RS flip technical resistance at the 2021 mid-cycle top at 64.9. Let's put that on our dirty chart, guys. 64.9 is apparently a big-ass resistance. I'm going to make this one like black or something so that we see it and we're like, oh, this isn't liquidation or anything like that. 60, maybe I should just, I guess I could just label it, right? 64.9. I'll make it a little bit thicker and I'll make it like a dark blue, right? Yeah, there's an option to add text to this, isn't it? Right there, add text. Last cycle resistance. Is that what he said? 2021 mid-cycle top. 2021 mid-cycle top. Okay, so we got that. If we break that, guys, apparently it's Moon City. We'll see what happens. It looks like we're working our way up to it. According to the fractal, actually, that coincides perfectly with this purple line right here. So I'm looking for October 20th-ish for a breakthrough that area. Hoff said, "Is this live?" Yes, of course it's live, Hoffs. I only do live streams. That's not true. I do random videos too sometimes, but not so much. I played a video game last night. That was fun. Kind of scared the shit out of me, if I'm being completely honest. So yeah, this guy says Bitcoin is bullish if we break this level. Probably a few days of consolidation before next week is going to be significantly up. Breakout of 64K, 64.65 is the big breakout we're looking for before a new all-time high tests and altcoin runs are happening. Let's fucking go. That's what we like to see. Tokenized commodities explained. Okay, this one, I thought that this was going to be an article. They're basically just explaining what tokenized commodities are. Provides more liquidity to the markets that are usually hard to trade in. Process of tokenizing, types of tokenized commodities, precious metals, energy resources, agricultural resources. We did read about the cow NFTs for people registering their cows for like the meat market, and real estate. So that's pretty cool. Use cases of commodity tokenization, art and collectibles, cold, tokenized cold, I'm assuming that's cold storage, silver, carbon credits, oil and gas, real estate, rare earth metals, and agricultural products. That's very interesting. Next one. This one I thought was interesting. FBI token. How the FBI used a fake AI fund coin to nab fraudsters. Next Fund AI coin was used to catch alleged market manipulators, but the crypto community might have confused it with another coin. That's pretty funny. The United States Federal Bureau of Investigation used a fake artificial intelligence fund, crypto, to catch alleged fraudsters engaged in market manipulation. Next Fund AI was presented as a crypto security that claimed to represent shares in an AI-related fund. Per the indictment, the FBI told scammers that it wanted help manipulating their token's trading volume. This would fool investors into believing that the coin was more popular than it actually was. The scammers offered to help with the fraud, and the agency used the evidence collected during this process to get an indictment against them. This is the first time the FBI has admitted to creating cryptocurrency as a part of its investigation, and the first time it has charged crypto market maker with price manipulation. That's very interesting. I think that that's actually hilarious that they did that. Damn. Damn, what a badass. This is crazy. So, I don't think that entrapment applies in situations like this because it's like a digital crime. And usually entrapment, no connection to L Bank. Okay, that's cool. Usually entrapment is like if you're like influencing somebody. Like if you chum up your buddy, you're like, "Oh my gosh, dude, you should go solicit a prostitute." And then the guy goes and does it, and then you're like, "Actually, I'm a cop. You're under arrest." That's entrapment. But yeah, this I thought was kind of crazy, kind of cool. The FBI is out here helping us protect our bags from bad actors. That's what I like to see. Although I don't really care for the feds being in crypto. If they're going to, I would rather them just catch bad actors that are actually bad people and not just somebody that wrote code for a privacy protocol. So there's a fine line that usually gets crossed. But yeah, Bitcoin's looking great. Let's go down to the 4 hours, see where we're at. We're still riding our purple trend line. That's what we like to see. Let's look at our let's do an update on our meme coins, guys. We did get some of this smiling dolphin, which has rugged since. This was my impulse buy very early yesterday morning. I'm regretting it now, but that's okay. Moodang, we have not purchased any Moodang yet, and of course it's up 23%. Lock-in, we have not purchased any of this yet either, and it is also up 11%. Orbeez dog, we did buy some of this, and it has thoroughly rugged since we bought some. Hatoshi Tuamoto has completely rugged. This thing is pretty much at zero. That's a shame. What a waste of a meme. Used car is doing decent. Yeah, used car. I like used car. I'm excited about used car. It's an established project with some decent volume. Splo. We bought some Splo, and it's up. That's exciting. I did not know that. Oh, how much is it up? Since our purchase, Splo is up 29%. Very nice. Very cool. We like Splo because it's not rugging. Pepe, which is a Kermit Pepe, kind of rugged. No, it's not quite at zero, but it has taken a little doo-doo, which makes me sad. Small market cap. It's memeable. I like it. Maybe I have bad taste. Your mom. I was excited about your mom. Ooh, whoa, your mom went crazy. I was not aware of this. 23%. Fuck yeah. Thank you, your mom. I love you. Pog, we did not buy this. I said, this thing's totally gonna rug. And then it went up. Let's see, Hoff said, them rugged ones is my experience. Oh man, you have no idea. Every time I open up my wallet, it's like less money. I will say though, Church of Flying Spaghetti Monster is totally carrying the entire thing. 185%. I fucking love this dumbass spaghetti monster. This shit makes me so happy. Hopefully it sustains this run. Hopefully we can get the several $1 million market cap. That's what I would like to see. It looks like it had a crazy run in the past in July and even August. We are mimicking the August run right now. I would love to just see it go absolutely insane. And then we got Dork Lord. I was very excited about this one as well on Sweet. It has like kind of rugged a little bit. It's got the Matthew McConaughey cigarette meme, which is fucking hilarious. If you guys haven't seen it, the suggestion today is probably going to be a repeat, but True Detective Season 1, go fucking watch it. It's on HBO. It's phenomenal. It is a anthology series, which means that Season 2 doesn't relate to that Season 1. None of the seasons relate to each other. They're all individual stories, but Season 1 is fucking phenomenal. It's got Woody Harrelson and Matthew McConaughey, and it's just a brilliant detective, like, series. Mr. Anderson said, the new ones were likely to make it past 1 day life. Got a quick flip on better off FOMOing into Retardio. Mr. Anderson is shilling his bags in the chat. As always, we love you, Mr. Anderson. Thank you for coming. Hit the like button. Otherwise, we're going to make fun of you or something. Dark Magician Girl. I FOMOed into this because I'm a fucking nerd, and it rugged. I'm very sad. Why would she betray me like this? What the fuck? I thought you loved me. But I couldn't help myself. It's a fucking Yu-Gi-Oh card. I'm a Yu-Gi-Oh nerd. We'll see if it goes anywhere. It's got a low market cap. It's memeable. It kind of never really did anything in the first place. It's doing the exact same shit that it did before, but it does seem like people are starting to hold on to it a little bit longer. So let's see. Let's see if we can get some moonage. That's what I would like to see, honestly. And then we got Santa, which we're not even going to look at because... Actually, let's go look at it. This thing blows up every Christmas season. It looks like people are starting to accumulate just for that. Honestly, getting in at these lows is probably the way to do it. August, nobody suspects. Even January. Getting in January and then waiting 11 months. Probably like the most big brain move you can participate in. Mr. Anderson, we're not going to sell our rugged alts because they could pop off any moment. I believe in Hatoshi Tuamoto, even if it is a grift. I don't care. Why would Haley Welch want to steal money from me? The most main character shit ever. Well, why would she take money from me? That's not fair. Guys, we're fucking up by not getting lock in. Beth told us to get lock in and chill. We didn't get lock in and chill. It's at $66 million market cap. My dumbass keeps going, I'm going to wait for a pullback. The second I buy in, it's going to finally pull back. I'm still going to wait. Which means it's going to keep going up. So if you want to make money, probably a good time to get in. Pepe the Chad. Ooh, I'm glad we didn't get into this one. That's scary. I kind of don't want that to happen on any of the ones that we actually do have. Cheese ball. Fucking adorable. Fat little wizard cat. Come on. Pop said, Arrow, can you take a look? After Christmas clearance sales for the win. Anderson said, they won't pop off. Give it up. Anderson, why would I sell it if it's like $3? That's like, what's the point of... Oh no, I need my $2.30 back. Like, what's the point? At that point, I'm just going to leave it and hope that it does something. And if it doesn't, oh well. Let's see. Hop said, look at Arrow. I feel a little bit better now, guys. I feel like I'm awake. It took an hour, but I feel good. This looks great. I like it a lot. Let's see. There's a obvious trend line where it's just going up. Number go up. This is the number go up trend line. And it looks very nice. I will say. I think if you measure the candle bodies, I know that you guys probably think this is a meme of mine at some point, but I don't care. This is my thing. There's bullish div in the chart. Right here. Bullish div, R size going down while the price went up. That's probably what's playing out right now. Whenever I see bullish div and the price is actually going up, I'm going to say that that's why. Because I'm biased towards bullish div. But this is a ascending triangle, I think. So I don't know if that's going to break down bearish over time. Like if it breaks above, then it's going to go crazy. But if it breaks below, it's probably just going to poop out, like fizzle down. Probably not that far. It'll probably go, it bounces off this and goes down. It'll probably stop right around here, this support. That's my guess. All right. Let's see. Pop said that's how lotteries win. They get everyone thinking that way. It's only $1. It is only $1 though. Like if I cash out and then I have $1, big fucking deal. It's not like I have 100 of them. I have like 5. Anderson said, actually, it was today he posted. Lots of people paying attention to him. He's like the new Ansem. Who? Who are you talking about? Anderson, I don't think you said who you're talking about. So yeah, Hoffs, we got there's a bearish pattern, but it's in a bull trend. So take the bearish pattern with a grain of salt. Guys, Bitcoin's going up. I gotta go fix my van. It's 6 p.m. I kind of slept the entire day. So I wanted to stream to catch you guys up on the stupid meme coins and shit. So I'm probably gonna call it. Can you read? Murad. I don't think you said Murad. Anderson, you never said Murad. What do you mean, can you read? Scroll up in the chat. You've never said that name once. You said the new ones very likely make it past day one. Yeah, yeah, Hops, my brakes are so fucked up. They're sticking. I thought that there was just like the dust plate in the back was scraping up against the rotor, but the brakes themselves are sticking. So I gotta take them apart and fucking fix them before the fucking auto shop closes, just in case I gotta buy anything. But yeah, that I did. Maybe I didn't post IDK. LOL. Yeah, getting all cocky and shit. All right, guys, we got our liquidations on the chart. Screenshot this if you want. Share it with your friends, your mom and your grandma. The green are liquidations above. The red are liquidations below. Let's see. Let's check the liquidation heat map again really quick. Refresh. Let's go to 12 hour. It's probably changed if I'm being honest. Yeah, we got 63.6, 63.7. There's more below than there is above, but it's pretty even split right now. So where we go pretty much depends on that, I'm assuming. But yeah, I'm gonna call it. I'll probably be on way later, so keep an eye out if you guys want to come to the super duper late stream, because I am not going to sleep because I stayed up till 5 a.m. to buy computer parts, and then when I woke up, it was 5 p.m. Really quick, let me give you guys another update on our face reveal goal. Option 1, we are 88 subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing. That is about, what does that even say? I think it says 18%. I can't tell. And then option 2, 22%. We are at 100 and something. 110 USD, which is 22%. Okay, yeah, the face reveal, option 1 is 15%. Option 2 is 22%. So yeah, that's the update there. We got the update on the meme coin portfolio. We got the update on the charts. Everything's looking good. It is Saturday night. Time to go fix a 2008 Chrysler Town & Country. You guys enjoy your night. I'll probably see you later. Take it easy.